Shalom, shalom. I'm so excited to share with you a new video. It's my favorite dish ever. It's Sombe or Pondu, however you call it in your language. Stay with me. I'll show you like from scratch, step by step, until we have a complete meal. And this is in the market. This is how they prepare it. We only take the leaves and leave out these little sticks, only the leaves. And then after that, we grind it, not on the fine level, but like that. Welcome in the kitchen and the pot. We don't need oil, we don't need water, just pot and the sombe. You keep mixing, turning it around until we have the color of like army greenish. This is to avoid, it brings the aroma, like a nice aroma. Just try it. You'll notice that it is different to the other one. This is the color we were looking for. I'm so glad we achieved it. It took like 15 minutes or so, something like that. So this is the time to add boiling water. I boiled it so that I could speed up the process. I'm adding the boiling water and keep everything nice and smooth and cover for 1 hour. In the meantime, I chopped green onions, actually all of the onions. I only added onions and garlics because I didn't have green pepper. I always add green pepper, so chop them on like small as you can, and then go ahead and add it after 1 hour. If you are also adding meat, this is the perfect time to add your meat. Today my sombe is going to be vegetarian sombe, so no meat, nothing like that at all. Friends, let's take a moment to honor the presence of Holy Spirit in our lives. And if you are a believer, you have said yes to Jesus, you have given your life to Jesus, it means that you have the Holy Spirit, because Holy Spirit is the third person of the Trinity, as God the Father, Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit. God the Father is in the heaven. Jesus is preparing for the big wedding, for the big day of the bride to come. And Holy Spirit is the person who stays and lives the life with us. So it's very important to know and acknowledge His presence in our daily, like in our everyday lives. So Holy Spirit is God Himself in the form of a spirit. He is a counselor, He's an advisor, He's a best friend. I'll go ahead and add oil, not too much, not too little, just like medium. And after the oil, I'll combine everything to mix so well. And here comes the garlic. Oh wow, if you could be in this kitchen. Wow. The aroma and everything. Ooh, this is the seasoning, the only one I can find. I'll go ahead and cook for 1 hour. While we wait for it to cook, let's prepare peanut. I'm using peanut butter, but you can use any form of peanut you have. And so friends, please tell me, how do you call sombe or pondu in your own language? Do you actually like it as much as we do here? Let me tell you, whenever you want to treat yourself good, or you want to treat your family so well, you must make this one. You must make a sombe. Or maybe I must say, this is me personally. Like whenever I feel like I have guests, like important guests, I want to impress them, sombe is on the menu, trust me, and it's always a success. Everyone is like, ooh, wow, this is a yummy sombe. Our isombe is ready. Look at it. It's so good. I'm going to have it with plain white rice. It's so good. I always like it as well with ugali. And please go ahead and enjoy. Thank you very much for being with us. I will see you guys next time. God bless you. Bye bye.